In this video, I'll show you how to get an API key in Google Cloud. First, open your web browser and sign into the Google Cloud console. Select the project where you want to create the API key, or create a new project if you don't already have one. Next, open the navigation menu and go to APIs and Services. Before creating an API key, make sure you've enabled the Google API you want to use by clicking Library, selecting the API, and clicking Enable. Now, return to APIs and Services and click Credentials. Then click Create Credentials and choose API Key from the list. After that, Google Cloud will generate a new API key for your project. Copy the key and store it in a secure location, as you'll need it when connecting your application to the API. Next, click Edit API Key to improve security. You can restrict the key by application type, such as websites, IP addresses, or mobile apps, and limit it to specific Google APIs. Finally, save your changes and use the API key in your application or service. Test your integration to make sure the API key is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get an API key in Google Cloud. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.